the table, we are displaying in the form of views. Correct? But in the maintenance view, not only viewing the data, we can enter the data also. If you enter the data inside this maintenance view, the data will be storing back inside this table also. In the reverse order also we can maintain. Means like a table. If you enter data inside the maintenance view, the data will be stored in the base tables. Data will be stored in the base tables. Clear everyone? What I am trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay, means not only viewing the data in maintenance view, we can view the data, plus we can enter back data also. We can enter data back. See, for this, what I will do is I will take two tables. See, for this demo, what I will do is I will take two tables, table one and table two. For this I'll create a one relationship I'll create. On this I'll create a maintenance view, and we'll create a TMG for that. Okay. See guys, let me create that example. Let me show you that example. Let me create one table, jet test college table. See, click on create college table, delivery class. Maintenance view. Next one is student ID. I am taking the student ID. Let me check any. Let me remove all this. Okay, student ID. Next one is name, age. So, okay. Next one is address. Next one is, I'll say, phone number. Phone number. See, like this, I have created one table now. No? Let me activate this table. Before activation, what we have to do? We have to maintain our technical settings. Okay, save and save now. After this, what we will do? Go back. After this, go back. Let me activate this table. You know it, right? How to create entries. See, create entries. I will say 1000. Name is equals to some Mahesh. Age is equals to some 20. Phone number is some 5656, like this. I'm entering data like this manually. See, the data created successfully. Okay, like this. Now I am going to create one more table, department table. CSC11 jet test college department table. Click on create DEPT department table. Okay, now what I will do is mandate here. What I will do is student ID, just student ID. Here is the department ID. I am creating a one more table, guys. Here what I will say is class teacher name. Okay, HOD. Next one is I will give HOD name. HOD name is there, no? give me some characters like fields of a department table, guys. DOG, date of joining, like this. Okay, I'll take this many fields. Guys, you can add if you want. You can add more number of fields. Go to technical settings, click on save like this. APPL0 and size category is this. Now save now. Now save. Now let me activate this table also. Let me activate this table also. Now I have created two tables, table 1 and table 2. Now I have created two tables. See, now we have created two tables. See, department table. This is one college table. This is my department table. For this, what I have to do is go to key fields. Now here you give your college table as a relationship. So you give your college table relationship. Sorry, not this one. Click on proposal. See, this is your proposal case. Student ID and student ID. Here you give cardinality 1 is to 1. Cardinality. Give 1 is to 1. Okay, cardinality. Just give a message like copy. Now after this, let me activate it. Let me activate it. See, we created two tables, guys. We created two tables, and we have given the relationship also. Now, what I am going to do is, I am going to create a maintenance view. SC11, SC11. Okay, and you go to views. Department table. See, just test college and department table. Click on create. See maintenance view. Now I am selecting maintenance view, guys. Shorter name, huh? Okay. Department table. I'm giving the short name, guys. So okay. Now give the message like college and department table. Here what I will give. Let me give my department table first. See, let me give my department table or a college table. Let me give my. See, click on relationship. See, my college and this table. Click on OK. See how we were giving the maintenance view, sorry, at the help view and database view in the same view. Give the relationship. College table and this table. Now go to view fields. And go to view fields. Here you see, guys. Here you see my student ID, and you select um, first always you give main table, guys. Let me go to here. Let me give the college table first. Let me give the college table first. That would be one second. I'll go back. Click on this maintenance view. Maintenance view. Okay. See, this is from student table and department. See, this system automatically took. See, guys, system automatically took standard key field. See, college table, department table. One second. No, 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 no. Wait. You have taken the reverse. Okay. System will give error. One second. Click on maintenance view. Give your college table, guys. You try in the reverse also. First you give the child table. First you give college table. See, I am giving first as a college table. Click on this. See, for this college table, this is the relationship. Now you select. See, this is the college table. Mandate. This is the department table. See, we got all the key fields. Now you select. From college table, I will add some more fields, guys. I will add some more fields called a name and phone number. See, age I am not entering. Okay, means what and all fields you want, you can enter here. Okay, you add it. Next one, go to table. Next one is college table. I will say HOD. I will say HOD. Click on OK. Now you activate, guys. Now you activate. Okay, this is my table, guys. This is my maintenance view. See here, if I click on create, see if I click on this one, no, see nothing is happening. So what I will do is I'm going to create a TMG, guys. For this maintenance view, I want to create a TMG. See, same like TMG. Give this package, um, same like a function group. Save and find the screen number. Find screen number. Click on create. Click on create. See, now after this, where we want to go? We have to go to anyone in the class. Where we want to go to? Very good. We have to go to SCAT. Go to SCAT. Select your function group. Give your this name, TMG name. See, activate. Just activate. Once it is activated, now go to your SM30. Now this is the view, guys. SM30. The system is a bit slow today. Okay, view your table name. Click on this. See, guys, you will get like this. Click on edit. 1 second. See, you can add entries from here also. See, I will add entries here. I will say 2000. See, department is I will give department ID is 105. Name is equals to Karthik. What is this name, guys? HOD name is Praveen. This is what is this, guys? What is this field? See,
phone
please.
number.
Age, huh? See, age. No, no, not this one. Phone number. Okay. See, phone number. See, always maintain. See, guys. Always maintain field labels, guys. See here, there is no field labels, right? That is the reason we are getting this plus symbol now. That is the reason we are getting this plus symbol. So if you maintain this one, no, you'll get it. Okay. Phone number is something like this. Now next one is I'll say 2001. Department is 1024. I will say Praveen. Phone number is 6565 something. If you click on save, see the data is. This is I'm not interested. Okay. See, which I entered from my TMG. The department table also. Let us go to department table also. 1 second. Yeah, department table is this. my HOD details and this table. Getting entered in two tables in one shot. I'm getting entered in two tables. Point of view, guys, what is the use of any maintenance view? Okay, as like a different, like a database view and help you, we can create a view. Tables with the help of TMG. With the help of TMG, we can send back data to our this one, guys. Is it clear, everyone? And definitely, guys, definitely you have to maintain this cardinality, guys. Without cardinality, it will not allow you, guys. We need to maintain cardinality. Where you will maintain cardinality in this one, in this search, in this help. No, here will maintain cardinality. Means you are saying the relationship in my base table and in my child table, you will be having one-to-one relationship or one-to-n relationship like this. Okay, this is cardinality. Mainly you will be seeing configure tables, guys. Maintenance view is clear, everyone? Anyone, any doubts in the maintenance view? Yeah, please. Try it. You try it as a homework. Okay, you try it. See, as I told you, check table and valid table both are using for validation purpose only, right? Okay, you try it. Okay, you try it. See how it behaves, system how it behaves, everything. Okay, okay. Because in valid table we have not given the cardinality, right? In valid table there is a no option of cardinality, but you try it. Okay, I think it should not work, but we'll see how it works. Okay. You do R&D, okay? If you are facing any difficulties, we will chip in. Okay. Anyone any doubts in this views, Nana? Anyone any doubts in this views? Hello. Okay, okay. I'm hearing only one voice. No girls, girls, no voice from your side.
No doubt.
Clear? Okay, 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 okay. Next one is, see guys. Next concept is we'll go to the lock objects, guys. Lock objects. Very simple concept. Lock object. See, let me give you one example, guys. Let me give you one example. There is a one ATM machine, Nana. There is one ATM machine. See, inside this ATM machine, this is ATM. This is ATM room. Inside this room, there is one person. For example, some one X person. One person is entering into this ATM machine. Now again, person will he be allowed inside this ATM machine? One person is already accessing this ATM machine, Nana. So there will be one security guard outside this ATM machine. There will be some security guard outside this ATM machine. He will stop other person. He will stop other person. He will be saying like, there is already one person inside. There is already one person inside. He is doing some particular operations on his account. Once he comes out, once this person comes out of this ATM machine, then the security person will allow this person. Then security person will allow this person, right? This is the general scenario, right? So what I will say is, in my SAP also there is one locking concept. There is one locking concept. See, for example, this table is there. For example, you can take any table or any program. You take any table, SC11. See, let me take one SC11 program. See, this is my table. If I click on change mode, see, this is a change mode. If I try to open the same table, if I try to open the same table outside of this, see now I should get a message. See, I should get a message. ABAP, see, user ABAP admin is currently editing this table. This is the means system is not allowing me to edit, guys. See, system is not allowing me to edit. See, if I try to edit, it will not allow me. Means what is the meaning of that, Nana? Once you open any program, system has one default locking system, Nana. The T code is SM12. The T code is SM12. This is the T code SM12. This is the locking system. See, this on my user ID. Currently, I am working on this. System has created a lock. System has created. See, this is my lock. System has created a lock. If I copy all this and if I delete all these locks. See, if I delete all these locks. See, delete. Now see already. See here, this table is open, right? In the second table also I can open this log, guys. I can open this table. Same table I can open. Why? Why? Because manually I deleted my logs. Manually I deleted my logs. Correct now? Manually I deleted my logs, Nana. Means system background, what will happen is system in the background system, what it will do is it will generate two function modules, NQ and DQ. NQ and DQ. The function modules is NQ and DQ. NQ, what it will do is whenever any person or whenever any record is coming, no, this NQ function module will trigger. What this NQ function module will do is it will put a lock. Like a security guard. It will put a lock. After performing all the operations, once it is going outside, this DQ will release the lock. You understood the concept, what is happening in the background? Let me show you, guys. Close all these things. See, let me open this. Change mode. See, if I go to NQ. See, if I go to NQ, see, click on this. See, my log got open. See, my log got open. If I go back, see, now if I refresh this one, where is refresh? Okay, there is no refresh. Just click on search, guys. See, search. See, that log got released. Guys, have you seen this? In the same way, I want to create a lock on a table, guys. I want to create a table on lock on a table, particular table. See, on a particular table, I want to create a lock. Let me go to this table. See, guys. Yeah, any table is fine. This table is also fine. See. Let's see here. Let me go to this one. Any table. You can take any table now. Let me open. Let's see here. This one. Okay. See, guys. What I will say is, I am taking one table now. You can take any table. On which you want to perform locks. See, only in the lock object, the naming conventions will start with E now. E. It has to start with E. The locking name should start with E. See, the locking name should start with E, Nana. E. And followed by Y or Z. And give the name. See, click on OK. See this lock object. I'm creating a new one. See, click on create. See, I will say lock on this table. Now go back. See, go to tables tab. Here, on which table you want to put a lock? I want to put lock on this table. SCR1. See, lock modes. We have so many locks. Put a right lock. Now go to locking parameters. See, system is taking automatically the key field in this table. Nana. System is taking key field on this table. That's it. See, here you add the table name. Here you add the table name. Here you add this, primary system will give automatically the primary key fields for which you want to put a log. And here, guys, here we can add, chains like primary key, foreign key relationships are there. No, along with this lock, along with this lock, any dependency tables are there. Any dependency tables are there. Also, we can put a lock. We can put a lock. Okay. Now, what I will do is I will activate this lock object. I will activate this lock. As soon as I activate this lock, now what will happen is here you see we have lock modules. Lock modules. This button got enabled. If I click on this lock modules, system is giving me two function modules. Have you seen the two function modules? One is NQ function module, one is DQ function module. See, this is the function modules, Nana. NQ function module and DQ function module. See, let me write a program for this. See, let me go to SE38. Let me go to SE38. Jet test lock object. Lock. I'm writing program, guys. Lock object demo. There is already a program. Okay. Lock object demo 1. Okay. Click on create. Click on create, guys. Here, what I will do is. See. Lock object. Okay, give this executable program, save. See, now what I will do is, see, I'll write like this parameter p. Let me open the table. See, this is my primary key, guys. So I'll create like this. Get ID type this table of get ID. Okay. Now what I am going to do is whenever I give some value here, see, if I click on execute, here system is allowing me to give some input. Here system is allowing me to give some input like this. My input will be some AC. I am giving, okay? Some AC. Now if I click on execute, in another program, if someone is trying to access the same, if someone, not only this program, anywhere in SAP, in any program or whatever it may be, if someone is trying to access the same entry, you should get a message like so and so got it's locked. See, for that what I will do is I will write this NQ, guys. Go to these patterns. We have two function modules now. Now system has generated two function modules. First one is NQ function module. Now let me give this NQ function module. Copy and paste it here. NQ. Give this NQ function module. See, remove this one. Remove first to three. See, mode. Which type of mode? Error mode. And the carrier is this one. This value. This is the value. Okay, now exceptions and all this. Okay, now here I will write a message. If size of RC equals to 0, means I will put a lock has been successfully locked. Right, it has been locked successfully. After this, what I will do, after this lock, I will write a DQ function module also. DQ function module, DQ. In the DQ function module, same thing. Let me release this lock. I will write P carried. Now here I will write a message. If size of RC, SCBRC equals to 0, if size of RC equals to 0, and if here I will write a message, right? Lock released successfully. Lock released successfully. Now for this one, no, in the else part, what I will write is in the else part. See, in the else part, let me write like this, right? In the else part, what I will do is already locked. Already locked. For this one, Anna. If it is other than size of RC is equals to 0, here in the else part, I am writing lock. It's already locked. Let me put a break. Let me show you guys. First, let me show you putting a breakpoint. The execute. I will give some value AC for this order number. If I execute, no. If I execute, my function module NQ will get triggered. See, my function module NQ is getting triggered, and size of RC value is 0, Nana. Size of RC value is 0. See, I have been locked. Sorry, it has been locked successfully. After this, I'm executing NQ also. NQ also size of RC is 0. Now I'm getting a see lock. It has been locked successfully. Lock release successfully. Now what I will do is I will just stop there, guys. I'll just stop there. See, see now I didn't see NQ has happened. See NQ has happened, but DQ didn't happen, Anna. DQ didn't happen. The lock is not yet released. Now what I will do? SC38. Let me run the same program with the same entry, guys. Let me run the same program with the same entry. Now if I execute, see what is the size of RC message, Nana? Size of RC value is 1. See, 1 means it is logged. Now it will go to else part now. Now it will go to else part. See, it is going to else part. Already logged. Already logged. See, you understood? Means if already one entry is working, if you are working on already one entry, with this means NQ is executed, NQ is executed, but DQ is not executed now. DQ is still not executed. See how many times if you try to access that particular record, it will not allow. But if you try to access a different record, in the table we have 3 entries now. In the table we have 3 entries. See now I am trying to access AF. Now I am trying to access AF. Now it will allow you guys. It will allow you. See, I am giving AF. If I execute, system will allow guys. See, size of RC value will be 0 because AF is a different one. See, AF different record. Now system is logged. It's a DQ like this. See, this is AF now. But as soon as you come out of this, what we say, as soon as you come out of this AC, this one AC. So career ID is equals to AC. As soon as you come out of this AC, then system will allow you to release the lock. See, now I am releasing the lock. Now I am releasing the lock for AC. See, AC is locked and unlocked. Is it clear? Means if you want to put a lock on a specific record, specific transactions, then you have to put your lock, guys. Generally why are we working with this lock objects? Why? Because for example, I am updating one table. If I am updating one table, okay, I'm updating means I am doing some changes on the table. If someone is trying to access that table, no, there will be disturbance. There will be disturbance in updating, guys. So that is the reason we have to create a lock objects. After putting a lock, after updating your entries, then you will means you are putting a lock means so no other person will be able to access your entry, right? Then that is the reason we put a lock. We create a lock objects, guys. See why we are going for lock objects. First question: why we are going for lock objects? For example, in a database, you are working on one entry, Nana. If some other person is trying to access that record, means you may find data inconsistency. So what you will do is, whenever you are writing any oh no on one particular record, then you will put a lock, so that the person who is trying to access, he will be waiting that. He will be waiting. Once you complete your updation on this record, then you will come outside. Then this person will be able to access a full record, complete nice record. Okay, like this. That is the reason. That is the main reason we work on lock objects. Clear, everyone? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Okay, please practice. The last one of this. This one is type groups. Guys, see here you will find the type groups. See, type groups is nothing but in my real time experience, we have not created any type groups, guys. We have not created any type groups, but we have used type groups. See, type groups is nothing but a group of similar structures. A group of similar structures are declared in one place. A group of similar structures. A group of similar structures are declared in one place. That is SLIS. That is known as SLIS. See, there is a type group which SAP has given us SLIS. If I open this list now, you will find all the structures now. See, in this list, you will find all the structures. One second, it is loading. See, you will find all the structures. See, types. See, all the types. You see, from top to bottom, you will find types. See, types. These are the structures which is given by SAP. Which is given by SAP. Means all group of structures are declared in one place. This is list structure where we are going to use is in the reports. Once we are going inside the reports, then we are every day we are going to use this structure. But for today's time being, you have to understand the concept called what is SLIS. SLIS is not, sorry, what is type group. Type group is nothing but a group of structures. A group of similar structures are declared. Group of similar structures, no, group of similar structures, not work areas or not internal tables. A group of structures are declared in one place. Okay, declared in one place is known as a type groups. Okay, if someone asks you, have you ever created type group, you can say no, I have not created type group, but I have used type group of a SAP given standard SLIS structure. SAP given SLIS standard structure. Is it clear, everyone? Type groups.
Sir,
Is it clear?
storing all this in one place, how does it help? Like,
It's
how do
just
we?
it's a just a group. It's a just a group. It's a just a group. See, structures will not have any memory. Structures will not have any memory. Okay, structures is not going to have any memory. That's why we have already discussed. Structures will not hold any data. Like we can call it as a library. Type group is a library for the structures. All the structures are declared in one place. That's it. All the same family structures are declared in one place. That is the reason I told you in my real time I have not created till this many years. We have not created because we didn't get the requirement to create a type groups. Why? Because for a program we maximum use 5 or 6 structures. That's it, maximum. For 5 or 6 structures, no need to create a type groups. See, here you see for this SLIS structure, how many structures are there? SC11. See, SLIS, see, how many structures are there? You just see. See, this is one structure. This is one structures. See, go down. See, these all are structures. Or a SLIS structures only. Once we enter into the reports, no, then we will see in detail about all these options. What are the options we have in this one? That we will see in detail about it. See, all are types only. See, all are types. You go down, types. See, types. Clear? Okay.
Yes.
The next concept is, guys, next very important interview point of view. CSC11. Let me create one college table. This is my college table, guys. For example, let me copy all this. Let me copy all these tables. Let me create one table, guys. Let me create one table. Click on create. some options I have missed, guys, wantedly. Let me explain with those options also, so that we can close this one. Remove this. Remove this. Okay. Let me go to technical settings. Now you see, Nana, from till here we have seen, right? Till here we have seen. See, here we have buffering, guys. Here we have buffering. Buffering we will discuss going forward. See, this is lock object. This is there is a checkbox lock changes, right? Log changes. See, log changes. You select on this log changes. See, log changes. Now you save, Nana. Now you save. Important interview question, Nana. Log changes. You have to select this log changes. If you select this log changes, what will happen is this log changes will be work mostly for this TMGs case. TMGs. If you have if we need to create a TMG. See, let me activate this. Let me activate this. Now go to your TMG. Sorry. Go to TMG. Now let me give the same table name here. We can see the logs now. We can see the logs. If you have changed something, we can see the logs. Okay, activate. So go back. Now you see, okay, we have to go to, what is that? SE. Let's go to SE80, guys. Let's go to SE80. Always, if you are performing any operation, please go to SE80 and reactivate your complete function group, guys. Reactivate your function group. See? Activate. SM30. Now you see SM30. So give your table name, edit. Give entries, guys. Give entries like 1, 2, 3, 4. Name is equals to some Mahesh. Some 20 something to something. Save. 4, 5, 6, 7. Some 22. Something. Okay. Now you click on save. Now you click on save. Yes, up to here it's fine. See, up to here it's fine, Nana. Up to here it's fine. Now what I will do is, see, now the data will be stored in my table also. Whatever the entries we have created, that will be available in my table also. It will be stored. Okay. Now what I am doing is I am changing the data, guys, in TMG somewhere. Here I am changing the data, guys. Like from 22, I am changing to 25 and save. And save, Nana. After clicking on save, what is happening? See, it is changing it to 25. See, from 22, it is changing to 25. But no difference, right? No difference. Now there is an option called in the here utilities change logs. Here you will find a change logs. In utilities, change logs will be there. If you click on this change logs, okay, you give the latest date, means future date 26, or you can change this time also. If you click on execute, see, if you click on execute, see what is the record, Nana? What is the change log you are able to see? See, on this date 25th, sorry 24th, sorry, this is, sorry, time, guys, 9:24. In the 9:24, this one is seconds. For student ID, this is the student ID. Age has to be, old value is 22. Now we change it to 25. We can find the logs, guys. We can find the logs. Particular entries. You can do this one. How we got this one, Nana? How we got these logs? Anyone? How we got these logs? Anyone? How we got these logs?
Sir, because in technical setting we take
Yeah, in technical settings, this we have clicked it. In technical settings, somewhere here. See, if you are not checking that checkbox, means it will not give you, guys. It will not give you. It will not give you. That is the option. Okay. Next one is buffering concept, Nana. Next one is a buffering concept. See, in buffering, you know what is buffering, right? You know what is buffering. Buffering is nothing but, for example, you are playing a video game for the first time. If you try to open your video game for the first time, it will take 5 minutes, guys. It will take 5 minutes. Why? Because whatever the files, what are the supporting files or the cache memories, everything, temporary files, everything, it has to store in your RAM, guys. RAM. After playing one game, if you close that video, if you close your video game, and if you try to open it one more time, then it will take hardly 1 minute, guys. Hardly 1 minute. It will load very faster. Why? Because whatever the required memory is, whatever the required cache files, everything, it will be buffered into your RAM, guys. It will be buffered into your RAM. In the same way, for this table also, see, end up finally how we are getting this data, Nana? We are getting data from our database, right? We are getting data from our database. If I click on, see, if I click on execute, give me a second. If I click on this execute button, see this data. How we are getting this data? We are getting from database. So while getting data from database, in the technical settings, we can do like this. Buffering is not allowed. Buffering allowed, switched off. Buffering activated. We have these options. Means it's our requirement. If you want to do buffering allowed, it will allow. Okay. For this one, we have three types of buffering, guys: single buffered, generic buffered, and fully buffered. We have in buffering, we have, you understood buffering. Your buffering is nothing but getting cache memory, temporary data. It will be stored in the RAM, so that whenever we are trying to access that particular records, it will be faster, guys. In buffering, we have three types of buffering: single buffering, generic buffering, and full buffered. See, single buffer, generic buffered, and fully buffered. Fully buffered means, if you check on this, fully buffered means the complete table will be stored in the RAM memory. The complete data, whatever the data is there in your table, the RAM memory. Here we can put number of fields, key fields. Only that particular data will be stored in the, means like we will be writing where condition up, where so and so is equals to this. That particular data only will be stored in the buffer. If you are trying to fetch different where condition, then it will go to database. Then again it will go to database. Okay, single buffer means only one record will be stored. If any record is, if any one record you are accessing very oftenly, only one record now, it will buffer only one record. If you are trying to access other record, again it want to go to database. Again it has to go to database. These operations will be happen in the background, guys. These operations all will be happen in the background. But the only thing is, you can see the little bit of system performance. That's it. Is it clear, everyone? Interview question, Anam. This are all interview questions. See, log changes and this are interview questions. Okay. Now, last concept is types of tables, guys. Last concept is how many types of tables we have. We can divide tables into three types, guys. Types of tables. We can call it as transparent, pooled, and cluster. Transparent tables. Transparent table, pooled, and cluster. Cluster tables, guys. What is the main difference between these three tables is, for example, see, whatever the tables you and me are creating are always a transparent tables, guys. Transparent tables. Transparent tables means what will happen is, this is a presentation system, Nana. Presentation server, application server, and database server, right? For example, here you have created one table. Here you have created one table like this, Jet College table, with some fields. System what will do is, with the same structure, it will create one more table here. Means it will have one-to-one relationship. It is going to have three transparent tables will be always having one-to-one relationship. One-to-one relationship. Transparent tables will have one-to-one relationship. If you delete one record here, if you delete one field here, system automatically will delete one record here. If you add one record in the presentation server, system will add one more record here, like this. this is going to have one-to-one relationship. It's a transparent tables. Whatever the tables we are creating are all transparent tables. When it comes to pooled and clustered tables, what will happen is, if you are creating multiple tables, for all these tables, there will be one table will get generated. For all 4 tables in the database, only one table will get generated. One table. Like configuration data. Generally, in the configurations, these pooled and cluster tables are mainly used in the configuration tables. Yes, configurations. In the configurations, this is known as many to one relationship. This is called many to one means for many tables, only one table is getting created. Only one table is getting created. This is called many to one relationship. What is transparent table relationship, Nana? What is transparent table relationship? It is one to one relationship. What is pooled and cluster table relationship is many to one relationship. Many to one relationship. Then what is the main difference between this pooled and cluster is? What is the main difference between this pooled and cluster is? Pooled tables can be buffered. We can do buffering, Nana. But cluster tables, there is no option of buffering. We can't do buffering. There is no concept of buffering for this cluster table. Then you imagine the performance of this transparent table is faster, whereas this pooled and cluster table, the performance is slower. Guys, slow. This is slower. That is the main difference. Okay, interview point of view, they may ask you guys types of tables. Then you can say types of database tables: transparent, pooled, cluster tables. Transparent tables are one-to-one relationship. Pooled and cluster tables, it is having many to one relationship. The main difference between a pooled table and cluster table is pooled table can be buffered, transparent cluster tables cannot be buffered. Okay, these pooled and cluster tables are mainly used in configurations case. These are system generated tables. Mainly these are system generated tables, guys. System generated tables. Is it clear, everyone? These are all not transparent and pooled and cluster tables only. I told you that the tables which we are creating are transparent tables. Always a transparent tables. See, transparent, say cluster and pool tables are created automatically. I told you, right, while doing our configurations. While doing configuration, system will create these tables automatically. Okay, it will be having many to one relationship. Many to one relationship. Always. Okay, by default, all are our tables. Okay, your homework is, guys, your homework is excuse me, your homework is, what is this radio button? See this radio button. What is this radio button? Okay, it's very easy. Okay, wantedly I didn't discuss this one. What is this radio button? This is your homework. Please do R&D on this one. Please do R&D. It's very easy. You can get it, but still, what will happen if you are selecting this, and what will happen if you select this? What will happen if you are not selecting? What is happening? You try this one. Please understand. Please try to do R&D on that. And this is the complete DDIC, guys. Any doubts in the DDIC? And the DDIC is very important interview point of view, guys. In interviews, the first questions they ask you on DDIC only. They will start with DDIC. Then only they will go further. Okay. Yeah. Fine, guys. Please go through the notes I have already shared you. Notes I have already shared with you. And tomorrow on the day after, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, let me stop the recording. See, Saturday and Sunday, I'm not going to take class for you guys because I have morning batch. So I want to spend some more time with them because their batch is going to end. So Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to take some extra classes for them to complete the syllabus and to clear some more doubts which they have. Okay, we will meet on Monday as usual. Why I'm giving break on Saturday and Sunday is DDIC is completely a navigation concept. It's a completely a navigation concept. You need to practice it, guys. Okay, there is no programming. See, there is no programming, right? There is very one or two lines of programming. That's it. The main thing is